Look at your phone for a second. That small glass rectangle in your hand is more powerful than the computer that sent humans to the moon. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the real question. What exactly is a computer, really? Is it just a screen, a keyboard, a box of wires? Or is it something much deeper? By the end of this video, you'll understand what a computer truly is, in a way you'll never forget. Once you understand this simple idea, you'll suddenly understand why your phone sometimes freezes, why apps need storage and memory, why the internet feels instant sometimes and slow at others, and how AI, games, and cloud all depend on the same basic foundation. So let's open the brain of a computer, without technical confusion. Imagine you walk into a restaurant. You give an order. The kitchen processes your order. The waiter brings back your food, and the recipe is stored in the kitchen book. Simple, right? Now here's the secret. A computer works exactly the same way. The only difference? Instead of food, it processes information. What is a computer, really? At its core, a computer is not a screen, not a keyboard, not even a machine. A computer is simply a machine that takes input, processes it, stores it, and gives output. Let's break that down with your phone. Input. What you give. When you tap the screen, speak into the mic, click a mouse, scan a QR code, that's input. You're giving the computer raw information, just like placing an order in a restaurant. Processing. Thinking. Inside the phone, the processor decides what to do with that input. It calculates, compares, follows instructions, and makes decisions, just like the kitchen cooking your food. Storage. Memory. Photos, apps, messages, videos, all stored inside memory. That's like the recipe book and fridge inside the restaurant. Output. Result. The screen shows text. The speaker plays sound. The vibration buzzes. That's the food being served back to you. Input, process, store, output. That's the heart of every computer on Earth. If you remember only one thing from this video, a computer is an information kitchen. You order information, it cooks information, it stores information, it serves information. Everything else is just decoration. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you use ChatGPT, YouTube, Google Maps, or Netflix, you're not using just one computer. You're using thousands of computers working together in giant buildings called data centers. Your phone sends input. Remote computers process it. Massive storage systems remember it. Results come back instantly. Same basic rule, just at massive scale. Even AI works on this same simple idea, just faster and smarter. Here's something most people don't realize. Your computer doesn't understand pictures, words, music, or videos. It only understands numbers. Every photo is just numbers. Every song is just numbers. Every video is just numbers. Your computer is basically a lightning-fast calculator pretending to be intelligent. That's why storage fills up, memory runs out, battery drains, devices slow down. Because calculations cost energy and space. Once you see computers as number factories, everything suddenly makes sense. A computer is not smart. It is fast. Humans give meaning. Computers move numbers. When you understand this, technology stops feeling scary. You stop feeling like a victim of devices. You start feeling like the driver. And once you understand the foundation, you can learn anything in tech. Programming, AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing. It all starts here. In the next episode, we'll uncover something crazy. How your computer understands only two numbers, 0 and 1, and yet creates photos, videos, games, and intelligence. Once you see it, you'll never look at technology the same way again. If this helped you understand computers in a new way, share it with someone who always says, "I'm bad at technology." Subscribe to continue this journey inside the digital world. See you in the next episode.